the foreigner in the Philippines who are here in town, we just buy some materials for our plumbing for the water, and then we just also get our placards for our big blue on the jeep. So for the big blue, we're selling our big blue for 350,000 pesos. So and this the big blue on this jeep, we're selling this for 450,000 pesos. So we got the placards here now. I'm gonna turn around so you're able to know. So to those who have friends who wants to buy a jeep, this is newly. We just bought this, I think 6 months or 7 months ago, but we're deciding to sell it. So I'm gonna show you the contact number where you're gonna call, and at the same time, for those who have a friend so willing. Yeah, so this is our number for you to contact. It's this bus, this blue jeepney. It's a lot of passengers to be taken if you're using this for business. It's 450,000, and that's our contact number. So 977-320-4650. Only valid person that will contact us. Okay? So please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day and God bless. And at the same time, for our big blue, it's 350,000 pesos. Have a good day and God bless.